Fairy Garden Thursday. Hi, and welcome to my channel, and Happy New Year's. It is New Year's Day when I'm making this video, and it is Fairy Garden Thursday. When you're going to see this video, when I'm making it, it's New Year's Day. It's always confusing, and it confuses me too. Anyhow, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you clicked on my channel. And like I said, this is Fairy Garden Thursday, and this is the day I'm going to do the draw for my $50 Amazon card. And I will announce the winners, of course, at the end. And today I am going to show you another gift I got for Christmas. And I think it's very sweet. It's, of course, Fairy Garden related because it is Fairy Garden Thursday, which is a collaboration. And Grandma Sandy hosts this, and hopefully she'll be back for the new year. And I also, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden is another co-host. Myself is a co-host, and Growing on Vancouver Island. We all have fairy gardens, and all you have to do is put Fairy Garden Thursday, hashtag Fairy Garden Thursday, and lots of fairy gardens will come up. And I made a list of all my fairy garden videos. So if that's what you want to look at, I have 128 videos that you can look at of fairy gardens that I have made for the last couple of years. So, okay, let's get on and see what I have been gifted. I think it's lots of fun. So it's opening fairy door with light and window for trees. So I am going to use this in my fairy garden that's outside, that I have a big stump that I've been trying to turn into a fairy garden home. So I have this gift from Christmas, and we're going to open it up and see what it's all about. Oh, we got a letter, and it has a little key on it. So that must be from the fairies. Anyhow, it's for the special door. So we'll put the key right there, and I'll open the letter, and let's see what it says. My friend, you have been able to catch a glimpse of the magic around you. Now that you have this special fairy door in your hands, I would like to invite you to turn it into a portal of magic wherever you are. All you need is to pick a tree, a gap in your garden, or any other little place where you want to create a home for my friends and me to move in. We love to see the beautiful space that came from your imagination. Often we find these special fairy corners decorated with all sorts of beautiful offerings that tie us into nature. Think of things like rocks and moss and little wooden signs, gems, flowers, anything to make it your own. We fairies love to see creativity, and it inspires us when you use your magic to bring the world around you to life. I've got to go finish my own little garden project, but I hope you take the time today to surround yourself in the beauty of nature that is around you. It's so worth it to take a deep breath and soak it all in. You're in magic. Felicity the Fairy. So this says tree poetry. And here's a picture of what's in there. Magic Fairy Door Kit. Welcome to the fairies, gnomes, and pixies into your garden with the fairy door and windows. Okay, so we've got this precious little key. Now we've got our little fairy letter that I will tuck away somewhere special. And I'm going to put the key inside there so we don't lose it. Right in the letter. There we go. So that was a nice little letter from the fairies. Now we're going to open this up. Oops, it's upside down. Turn it over. And there's a window. Isn't that cute? And it has a hanger on it. So I'll be able to hang that right on the tree pretty securely. And it has a vine growing around it and little roses. And a windowsill. And a couple of shutters. That's very, very cute. So we'll set that there. And this is like a little birdhouse. So that's cute. It's a chestnut with a hole in it and a little metal stand. So you can hang that and it can stand right up. Let's make sure you can see that. Yeah, it stands right up. And there's the window. Okay, let's see. Now we're getting to the door. And there's another little note, so let's see. It says, thank you for choosing Tree Pottery's whimsical fairy doors. Your support truly makes a difference. Let's celebrate the magic of nature together and inspire others to bring smiles to their outdoor spaces too. Share your enchanted setup on social media and tag us. So they're at treepottery.us. So I will do that and I will tag them and show them what I did. And it says if I have any other questions to just get in touch with them. So that's a nice little note to make sure that everything is good. Now, this little thing here is a light. And these screws, I believe, are to help put the door and the window on the tree. So here's the fabulous fairy door. And it has a little handle on it, and you can open it right up. And you can go right inside the fairy garden. And the light hangs right up here. And it is solar. So it will, light will come down onto the door. And as you can see, the fairy garden door has the vine and the roses, has a little heart window, and a sign that says a fairy lives here. And there's the little door handle that you could open up. And a little rock step to get up through the door. It's very, very sweet. So to have all of this on my tree will be really, really special. I'll have lots of fun doing that this spring when I bring all my fairy gardens back out and finally get my big tree stump house done. I got a little fairy garden house and it lights up. Little fairy garden house, it lights up. I think it's going to be adorable. Not sure where I'm going to put it, but I'm sure I'll figure something out. And I got this bag of goodies. Okay, so I'm gonna, there's lanterns and lanterns and more lanterns. Do you have any more? And another piece of fence. I'm going to put them back in the bag as I discover them. I don't want to lose them. And this little bag has a frog and a lily pads. Frogs and lily pads. This is bridge. This is a bridge. There's a bridge. And these are, there's an elephant, a basket, and another elephant. So little elephants and baskets. And this is a turtle. And a fountain. Not sure what the other thing is, but when I take it all apart, then we'll know. And I got a bunch of little mushrooms again. They're so cute. I'm going to collect them all up. There's purple and pink and blue and red. Let's see. I think I got all the mushrooms. Oh, there's a pink one. And then we got little chicks and little ducks. There's a little duck. Here's a little chick. My goodness, so many things. And there's a bigger mushroom. It's like a little house. And I'll just get all the little yellow ducks and chicks and put them back in the bag. And that way we don't lose them because they're loose. And we've got many little ladybugs, which are going to be perfect because I don't know if you remember, but in the other stuff I got, there were smaller little houses, and I thought they would be perfect for bug houses and stuff. So the ladybugs will have their own house. Okay, let's get all the ladybugs. Some mushroom, there's the mushroom. Okay, this is a whole bunch of I'm not sure what these are. I wonder if they tell me somewhere what I use these for. They look like something you'd stick in the ground and put something on top. And a little egg. And another little mushroom house. And the cutest little bench. Got a couple of those little benches. And a fence with piggies. There's a fence and a couple of piggies. These are, it says a post. There's two of those. It's going to be interesting to see what I do with this stuff. And there's a donkey in here, and a little house, and a little bench. And here's a little fence with a couple of ducks and chicks, or ducklings. This is a little house, pig and a windmill. And there's a kitty cat. And I think a vase. And some boxes that could be steps. Here's another little house. And we've got some flamingos. And this is a little waterfall lake. That might be cute on the end of one of my floating teacups. And here's a chicken and a swan. And here's a bunny rabbit and a swan. And some unicorns, a pink one and a blue one. And here's the cutest little sheep I ever did see. And a duck. And yellow flowers. Bright pink flowers. And blue and purple flowers. I'll pick them all up now. Get them all back in the bag. And here's another bunny. And a swan. And a swan. Maybe that's a sandbox or something, not sure. And there's another little lamb with a black nose and a mushroom. And this is a puppy dog. And I think it's a dish with a bone and a dog house. Cute. There's another egg. There's some more of those pokey up things. And I have to look and see what those are for. And this one is empty, so it must have been holding something. And these are the hedgehogs and a mushroom. And there's a mama hedgehog and a baby hedgehog. So hopefully you can see all that. There's the house and the windmill and the puppy dog. Or that's a cow and a puppy dog and a house. There's a bridge and a pond. And on the side here we've got pictures of houses and the little benches and a couple of sheep. And on this side we've got the ladybugs on a plant, unicorns, swans, and bunny rabbits. So that has lots and lots of pieces in it. Okay, I did the draw for the $50 gift certificate. And the winner is Jennifer Collins, 1058. I believe that's her YouTube channel. So, Jennifer, please send me your email address and I can send you the $50 Amazon card. Congratulations! And thanks everybody who entered the draw and watched the video. Okay, enjoy your card, Jennifer. I'm Sandy for hosting this collaboration, and the other two hosts, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden and Growing on Vancouver Island. I always look forward to watching your videos and anyone else who posts a video for Fairy Garden Thursday. My next video will be Sunday Home Reset. And we'll see you then. Bye.